of Kawepe Division for the good security. I want to thank the RDC because I'm in his area. I want to thank you people so much. I'm your man. What I want to tell you that I'm not stopping here. I want to thank all this. When people saw this, they were just so happy. I want to recognize my coach. I call him Master King Su. What is Master King Su? I want to, and the coach manager, please come closer. And Coach Mando, come here. Yes. This is my coach. He trained me in the last fight. He's a very tough man. I reached at him, he told me, I hear that you eat stones, but now you are going to show me how you eat those stones. He hammered me and he told me that he's training me to be the best. Right now, I am the best. I want to say, I know. Thank you, manager. Thank you. I want to recognize the president of Uganda Boxing Federation. Wait. Oh! Wait. Mr. President, this is what Rock Boom has done for me. When you look at this academy is going to support all the sports fraternity. That's why I called it Gorola Talent Academy. I would have called Gorola Kickboxing Academy. You know, from boxing to kickboxing. We want to see that we are going to lift all talents. Kickboxing, karate, taekwondo. We are going to train kids. I want to thank you so much. Mando. I've been traveling with this man. Mando is my friend. Is my best friend. And I was feeling so much the way you're calling your phone. What was your phone? It got dislocated. Oh my God, but I thank God you were here. There is also this brother of mine. He called Fungo. Geno Fungo. How are you? I heard that you want to challenge Gorola. Okay. But you have been beating you in kickboxing very much. And I'm not a joking subject. But these guys, we have been with them. It's raining, but this is the blessing. Mwebale kujja kukola Talent Academy. Mama wange nsooka okwebaza omusumba mama jangu. Taata wange yasaliranga ku church era naffe tusalira awo. Era njagala okutegeeza nti taata yafa. Papa, my godfather, you know, Mosei died. And we are going to have his dua on 27th next month. When he died, you supported me. People were sitting well. They had everything. I'm coming back to you again for this dua of Mosei. And I'm going to be sleeping down until this dua come finished. Mama.
Bali balowooza tasobola kuva mu kayumba kali ak'ekisenge ekimu naye olw'embeera n'emirembe n'empisa abali amu ne bamuzimbira ennyumba neyanziza neyanzege bannange mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala. Ekirabo kino nkikuwadde kiyingire mu nnyumba empya bwe obugenyi bwajjanga ojjangayo omukeeka. Ne bw'oliba ofunye omukyala nga nzize ojjangayo omukeeka. Guno gwe mukeeka oguyingidde mu nnyumba empya.
Omukyala okiwulidde? Omukyala okiwulidde ogenda kujja maama omugirangayo omukeeka. Kati omukazi ono namukubidde essimu. Bannanga abakyala kyova olaba abakyala tebaaliko kubayigirizwa Yesu be yayita. Lwa nsonga emu abakyala baagala nnyo baweereza transport. Kati ono omukazi namugambe come we are going for the celebration but I don't have transport. But you are there, you have had. When oh my God. Jesus Christ. Mama oyina kweyongerayo? Toyina. Bannange mbebaza nnyo. Nebaza nnyo Mr. Kawoya sooka ojje wano. Toyina kumbeera wala. I want you to give 2 minutes a few words. I've been working with you for the last 15 years. You have done much. And you have done whatever I've been asking you. Please, me, I have and me.
Thank you, champion. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. His Excellency, the Ambassador, Haj Shadi, and the entire Reham and Harris International Fraternity. I'm very delighted today for a friend, a brother, and the most famous champion around Africa, that is. I'm very excited and thankful to God that today, better than any other time, my friend, my brother, a champion, that is a world champion, is being celebrated in a very great way. I cannot thank Reham and Harris International enough. I cannot thank the media enough, because this is a clear direction that is showing that sports can change and transform lives forever. Goal has been transformed for good. We have always been excited to have the support from Harris International, and you've stamped a very clear mark on the transformation of our sports fraternity all around East Africa. We thank you and we urge you to keep supporting us, because we'll always make sure we do as much. Haj Mohammed, I remember we disturbed you a lot, but I'm happy you never gave up on us, even when the pressure was too much. For this house, I'll print thousands of pictures and share them with all my friends that want to be in sports, so they will all see them and know they can be champions and achieve even more than this house. Thank you so much. For everyone that is in Kampala, I'm here to digitize Kampala. When time comes for politics, vote Innocent Kawoya for the mayor that will support and be a part of the story of transforming so many people like the champion, Golola Moses. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you so much. I would like Mr. Patrick Rioza to come and say something. We have been... hello, yes.
Mugulu Patrick.
Mr. Patrick is now the president of Uganda Kickboxing Federation. He elected him. Thank you. I've worked with you since I started kickboxing. And I remember the first fight I did here for kickboxing. You were the promoter. And I pulled you so much to come and work with kickboxing. Please say something.
Thank you so much. The Representative Minister of Education and Sports, Representative National Council of Sports, Management Harris International, Reham, in particular Rock Boom, distinguished guests, media houses, all protocol are observed. We welcome you to this important occasion. I'm too much excited and happy for Golola, because we've come from really very far. For some of the people thought Golola, they realized Golola when he was fighting Nagy, Adras Nagy, the late. But Golola has come a long way. His first fight, professional fight, was in Tanzania. And he wasn't the main fight, it wasn't the main fight, but he went as an undercard. Surprisingly, the main event, I remember, one of the opponent didn't turn up. And they were looking for somebody to verse the champion in Tanzania, because Dar es Salaam was ahead of us. And through all the people who were around for the undercard, Gola said, Nze musobola! Nze musobola! And this was, remember, called Jafet Kasemba? Yeah. Yes, this was huge, and Gola, I think, was 3 or 4 kilograms below him. But Gola came, that's when he took the main event and won the fight. So from Tanzania, he had around 4 to 5 fights, I remember. If I'm not mistaken, this is when we put up the first professional fight in Mengo. He versed, I remember, it was Peter Mlas. Then we have Arifus Kaka and so many others. He has had over 38 professional fights. For some of you who don't know him, he has come a long way. He's really magnanimous. Golola. Harris, I thank Harris International, really. Rock Boom for helping out Golola. And through Golola, kickboxing in particular. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I don't have much to say, but thanks for everybody who has supported Golola, the boxing fraternity, whoever has contributed to the success of Golola.
Wonderful. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at the screen. Golola Soko Lindeko. And to those who have not entered the house, take a look at what is inside the house.
Grab yourself a Rock Boom anytime. Reload with Rock Boom Energy Drink and go the extra mile.
Grab a Rock Boom. Be a champion.
I am a man who has a PhD in pain. Hey, no, what?
This is an affair. This is an affair.
He has tempered the hot temper.
I have decided to support Golola with this home, its house. Yeah.
Nalala sana. Kama zoezi. Kama nimemaliza kula.
in this line of duty, there can only be one champion. Persistence and hard work is everything.
Now, the best. Golola are together. First of all, let's have the first picture. Golola and the directors. Golola. So good. Vera to soke to nyige kubunyamao. Golola. Members of the press, please come.
Another promise.
Another promise.
Another promise for Golola to complete the project, to complete the good future for Golola. The last day of this year, we are going to launch his academic, his talent, with all equipment.
Wow! Wow! A corona, what is corona? You can hack. We shall see from there. Wow! With all equipment.
Please meet us here the last day of this year. The last day,
New Year.
Day of December,
Yes.
2020. Meet us here to launch Golola Talent Academy. Thank you.
Hey! Sir, even me, I'm going, I have kickboxing, as you see. Even me, I can't.
We believe in Uganda. We believe in Ugandans. We want to support Uganda. We want to support Ugandans. 2021, you will see many surprises from Reham, from Harris International, about support the economic, support the all type of sport, as I said. You will be seeing something amazing from Harris International Reham. Thank you.
Wow! Katigano mwana okuzanya kickboxing. Omanyi mutugana nye ebintu. Nange no ninamu. All right, the directors are posing. The directors, Golola Moses, Talent Academy, plus the commissioner.
Rock Boom is a spirit, a way of life. Our relentless form of energy.
Let me get also the president of UBF in there. Give us wide angle. Where's the president kickboxing? Smile. This is big. This is good. Members of the press. Mama aliwa mama jangu wakube kutufaneni. Representative of Uganda Kingdom, Mr. Suleiman Obawali. Sebo Tata. Jangu. Mama jangu. Manager aliwa. Manager. Yani. Where is the master? Yeah. America. Master King soon, man. Yeah. Huh. Did you see the way Golola feared the trainer? Kati trainer cheka kuba. Mama, Yo Mose. Yeah, I think Harris International has to put enough Rock Boom here so that the other 2 rooms for the children can be filled. Because yes, thank you, all of you who are partnered. Thank you. Members of the press, those of you who want interviews, please go to that banner. There's a lot of food. Please get yourself some food as you go home and continue to support kickboxing in Uganda. Big congratulations to Harris International for this milestone. Tubawo Galobanange, Aba Rock Boom, Harris International. Ambassador, thank you so much, and the entire team. Aha, we are live on BBS Telefina. Katukore interview eyo. Otherwise, mwebali kujja.
It's a spirit. A way of life. A place full of beauty.
Mukama Katonda simanyenyesha Mukama waliwo kyakukolera ebigambo Mukama kyakukolera
Brad.
ekigenda okubeera wano zine bayita genda kubeera nga nkolawo emirimu mingi nnyo ekisooka tugenda kubeera ngaolaba kimuga tugenda kubeera nga tutegekerawo genda kubeera nga nkolawo genda kubeera nasomesa abantu genda kubeera nagamba abantu tugenda kusomesa Jacob, essaawa eno na obusobozi